Z-Rope Plus is the new way to work out. Use anywhere at any time of the day. From warm-ups to high-resistance workouts, Z-Rope Plus puts you in control of your workout intensity. Whether you're a beginner or a professional athlete, Z-Rope Plus is home battle rope training for all.
You don't need a lot of space, easy to use.
It's good. It's like you got the rope, but you don't have the rope.
It's good. I felt it. I felt it in my arms.
That was great. I feel it in my forearms. That was an awesome workout.
I would definitely recommend this. Way easier than battle ropes.
I like that it works out every single muscle group. I think it's real good.
Super easy here. Intermediate or medium. Most advanced, hardest.
Take it off like this. Switch them on. I'm always on the go. Sometimes I need a light workout. G-Rope is the product for you.
Z-Rope Plus works just like conventional battle ropes do. Enjoy simultaneously cardio and weight training with a more practical version of battle ropes that you can use anytime, anywhere. Our previous version, Z-Rope Classic, had only one level of resistance, which wasn't the best fit for beginners or pro athletes. Now, we've created 3 different battle rope workout intensities by adding or subtracting distance between the spring coils. Just switch out the springs and choose the intensity that's right for you. Now, you can perform workouts of all different intensities to build your core and work out your entire body. The Level 1 light gray spring takes just a small amount of force to get going, making it perfect for beginners and people just starting to build their muscle mass. The silver Level 2 spring has the same level of resistance as the first Z-Rope. This version is great for lifters and experienced battle rope users alike. The Level 3 dark gray springs are the true challenge. The higher level of resistance makes this spring perfect for an intense workout. Check out this version if you're a professional athlete or battle rope expert. Z-Rope Plus lets you unleash over 13 workouts to stimulate over 10 muscle groups. And with adjustable resistance levels, you can choose the workout intensity that's just right for the target muscle group. With Z-Rope Plus, you can modify the intensity of your workout as needed to make sure your heart stays pumping. To get a wide coverage of intensities across the body, we recommend using a progression of workouts from levels 1 to 3. Try performing a high amount of reps with level 1 and reducing your reps as you move to level 3. You'll really start to feel the burn. Z-Rope Plus is both small and quiet, making it the perfect exercise equipment for any occasion. Z-Rope Plus is perfect for home training and usable both for daytime workouts and quiet workouts at night. Scan the QR code to see tutorial videos on how to get the most out of your Z-Rope Plus. Unlike normal battle ropes, Z-Rope Plus is easy to carry in your bag. With a detachable handle and spring, our upgraded new battle ropes are now even easier to transport. With new, smoother silicone, we've improved the grip and feel of the handle significantly. And the improved urethane coating between the spring and handle give you truly long-lasting equipment. With the tremendous support and feedback we got from our backers on our first Z-Rope campaign, we're back and better than ever with the new and improved Z-Rope Plus. We hope that Z-Rope Plus will be an easy, intuitive exercise solution for everyone. Multi-level home training for all. Z-Rope.
If you've ever tried a battle rope before, you get to do the same thing from the convenience of your living room. So those are attachments. It goes from low to medium to high for different levels of resistance. If you want to up your level of cardio weight training, you can get it all done at the same time.
I found it's amazing addition to your workout routine. You can do cardio with it, you can stimulate your muscles different ways, and also if you don't have rope in your gym, it's a good addition. It has a lot of different levels. You can adjust it at your fitness level.